Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel 777 Cosmic Tarot. Guys, this reading is for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody who has Capricorn in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter signs, or you could be a cross watcher, somebody with a different sun sign, and you could be drawn to this video. So if you are drawn to this video, this could be your reading and you may have a message here. Okay, so follow your heart. So guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And you can always reverse the roles and switch the energies if needed. Okay, these are general readings, they are not personal readings. So if you want a personal reading, you can always visit my website. It's mentioned here on the screen, or you can WhatsApp me. My number is mentioned below in the description box. Alright, so let's go ahead and see, Capricorn, what do we have in store for you in your love life and what's coming up next. So let's see all that. Alright, okay. Oh my god, we have 3-4 cards, too many cards. So let me shuffle it again. We'll see what do we have. We'll see what do we have in store for my Capricorn. This is for my Capricorn. Okay. Oh my god, this is no joke. Oh shits, oh shits. See, this has come again. This is, oh my god. Okay, I'll take all three as it is. This has to come, so I'll take it like this. What else? Capricorn. Let's see what else. Tower. What else? I don't know why am I having such readings nowadays. I really don't understand. I mean, I don't know, last 1-2 readings have been difficult. Okay. Hangman. Moon. We have the King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, 2 of Swords, Tower, Queen of Swords, 10 of Cups, the Moon. Okay, what is this? 8 of Pentacles. Capricorn, I feel that you guys, you and your person, you both are kind of falling out of love. I see that you may be with each other, but still you are not with each other. You know, that kind of energy. Some of you, I feel that you have to take a very important decision of your life and you don't have time. You literally have to take a decision as soon as possible. Like, I think you are running out of time. Maybe a decision is pending at your end, Capricorn, and you don't have much time. So you'll have to do some things as soon as possible. Okay, I see that you have to take a decision very soon. Like, you don't have time. Like, either you take a decision now in the next 1-2 months, 3 months, or I don't know. I feel that you have to take a very important decision, some of you, literally. Okay, so there is this decision that's pending at your end. I see you in a place where you are missing this person, whoever you are dealing with, Capricorn. This person is somebody who is not paying attention to you at this moment. See, I don't say that they don't have love for you. This person has love for you. Okay, they care for you, but I don't know. I feel that this person is kind of getting detached, or I would rather say they are not paying attention to you at this moment. Okay, so you may feel a change in their behavior. This person is somebody, Capricorn, who is there with you. Okay, maybe this person is there with you, but they are not focused on you. Like, you may have noticed that this person their behavior towards you has changed, over time. And it's like, see, I don't say that you both don't love each other. There was love, but things are diminishing day by day. Like this equation that you both share, it's coming down slowly and slowly, yet you both have love for each other. I don't say that there's no love, but yes, the attachment is less. Like, I mean, things have reduced to a point where it's no more the same as it was. Now I feel that your person is somebody who is being manipulated by somebody right now. There is somebody in this person's life, Capricorn. This is, I will see who that person is, but there's somebody who is manipulating this person against you, or there is somebody, yeah, okay, I got it. So this person is somebody who is being manipulated by somebody, and this could be a woman figure, like a woman, because I see Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords, okay, two queens, and I see this is Nine of Pentacles also. There's somebody who's manipulating your person. Like this person is trying to stop your person from coming towards you. Okay, now I see this person, you know what, guys, your person is somebody who has immense love for you, but I think this person may have made a mistake. Okay, this person did get carried away with somebody else for a while, and maybe they were trying to know somebody else or trying to get close to somebody. I don't know. I feel that this person did ignore you for somebody else, but guys, I feel that your person is somebody who may have got carried away with somebody else, but they know that they have realized your importance. Okay, after being away from you, this person has realized your importance. This person now wants to make it right with you. This person has love for you. They still want you, but they are not sure about you. This person feels like they feel that being with you is very difficult. Okay, this person feels that it's very difficult to have you back in their life, or to, like, the equation is so sour at this moment between both of you that this person feels that, you know what I see here, you both have love for each other, but you both are trying to divert your mind by focusing on work at this moment. This person is waiting for you, and this person is waiting for things to get better between both of you. In some cases, I feel that this person is leaving a third party to be with you. This person was involved somewhere else, but they are leaving a third party to be with you. This person was juggling you with somebody else for sure. Okay, but whatever it is, this person has realized that nobody can take your place. They are coming back to you, or this person may have already come. This person definitely did ignore you in the past. They may have turned their back. They may have literally kind of ignored you, like they were not paying attention to you, not giving you time. But I feel that this person now realizes that they have done wrong, and they want to work on this relationship with you. As far as you are concerned, you guys are focused on work right now. You're missing them. You're not happy without them for sure. Okay, so you are literally thinking about this person 24 hours. This person is there in your mind. You miss them. In some cases, maybe you are supporting this person financially, could be. Okay, I mean, either you are supporting them or they are supporting you, but for most of you, I feel it's you who is supporting this person. And so whatever it is, and there is a decision also, like you have to take a decision, but you're confused. You have reached a point where you don't know the way forward, and you guys are spying also. Now the spying game is on. For most of you, I feel it's you who is keeping a very close watch on this person. In some cases this could be this person also, but for most of you I feel it's you who's keeping a close watch on this person. Okay, so you are spying on this person for sure because you have doubts maybe, or yeah, you have doubts, which is why you are spying on this person. So whatever it is, this person is coming back to you. Okay, this person is coming back to you. I think things were pretty slow between both of you in the past. I see that you both were kind of falling out of love or getting detached from each other, but I see things coming back on track. Okay, it's like whatever went wrong will come back to normalcy very soon. So you know what, guys, I feel that this is somebody who wants you. They want to marry you, they want to have children with you. This person wants to literally have you back in their life, but there is somebody else who is stopping this person. Now this could be their mother, for some of you this could be a third party, but somebody is trying to, you know, stop this person from coming towards you. That is one thing. Now yeah, for some of you I feel that you are not happy with this person in some way. It's like you feel that you are not content. It's like you know that this person has love for you, or you know that, I don't know, for some of you I feel that you are not happy with this person. It's like you feel that this is not what you want at times. See, you have love for them, I'm not denying it, but could be that you feel that you both don't get to spend enough time with each other, and you're not happy and content in this relationship. You're seeking something more and you don't have that. You feel that there is no passion in this relationship. Like literally you feel that there's no passion left in this relationship with this person, or you both are not on the same page, you know. So that is one thing that bothers you. I see that. Yeah, that is there. Yeah, see, I told you. I think you both are hiding your feelings from each other. Like you both are not being transparent towards each other. You want some things in a relationship and you're not content. You're not happy with this person, but you can't say it. Okay, you can't say that, hey look, I'm not happy with you. So you're trying to control how you feel, like you are trying to hide things. Okay, that is what I feel, Capricorn. I see lack of passion in this relationship between both of you, and you're not happy. You're not happy for sure. Okay, and let's see, what do you want? We'll see, what do you want? Yeah, yeah, you know what I said, you want this person for sure, you have love for this person, but this is an ongoing process. Like you are trying to hide your feelings, how you truly feel for this person, and they are doing the same. Like you both are running away from each other, or running away from confronting what you both want in this relationship from each other. That's the issue here. Okay, as far as the outcome is concerned, guys, I feel that this person is coming back to you, and I see you two going back to them. It's like you both have love for each other. You both have love for each other, especially your person. They literally want to marry you. They are very serious about you. Yes, they are being manipulated by somebody else. Okay, in some cases I feel that this person is being influenced against you, but I think that's temporary. Like they will soon realize everything and they'll come back to you. Okay, love is there. Love is there between both of you, and this is beautiful. I mean, emotional love. This person has a lot of love for you, and it's just that maybe in some cases this person will realize it over time, and I think this person has done wrong and they do regret, but they are coming back to you. Okay, it just, I don't know, as of now I feel that you both are trying to avoid each other. There is this sense of ignoring each other, like you may be with each other but yet trying to avoid conversations, yet trying to avoid serious talks, like what do you really want, what do they really want. It's like you both are trying to avoid a communication between each other, like you both should sit and talk but you both are pushing it away. Okay, that's the energy. Let's see what will be their next action. Let's see what will be their next action towards you, my Capricorn. What do they want? What does your person want? Oh my God, King of Cups and Death. You know what? This person feels that things are over between both of you, or this person sees you as somebody, you know, this person feels that you're done with them. They feel that you don't want them anymore. Okay, they feel that you don't want them anymore. But they have love for you. Look at this, we have the King of Cups. So they have love for you, but this person feels that it's very difficult to revive the same chemistry that you once had with each other. So they find it very difficult to revive whatever you both had in the past, but they have love for you. They still want you. This person wants a fresh new beginning with you. Like this is King of Cups with the Death. They want a fresh new beginning with you. They want to start fresh. They are literally thinking on how to make things better. Okay, but I think this person is going to take some time. All right, this person is going to take some time. You may have to wait for a while. And yeah, I mean, I don't say that you will have to wait for too long. It's just that this person has made up their mind to do things or to make it work with you. It's just that it's a slow process. It will happen slowly and gradually. Okay, this will happen slowly and gradually. So they will try to do small things for you, like small gestures, like taking you out for dinner, giving you some surprises, or giving you some gifts. Or they will start small, but eventually they want to make it right with you. That's their intention for you, Capricorn. Okay, so don't worry. Some of you literally think that things have gone sour and this person may have left you for somebody else. Whatever it is, no, they are coming back. Even if they have left you, even if they were involved somewhere else, this person is going to leave that person for you. Okay, so let's see what else do we have for you. Okay, Ten of Swords and Nine of Wands with the Chariot. All right, I'll take all three. Some of you are not happy with the projects that you may have chosen in the past, or the job that you are in. You feel betrayed. You feel that you know, you were sacked all of a sudden, yeah, or you were told to leave a job, or it's something like something just came to an end all of a sudden as far as your career is concerned. Like you were literally having some high hopes from somebody around you, a job, a company, a person, and that person just changed. Like you were denied some sort of profits or some sort of gains that you were expecting from them. This could be you lost a project, you lost a job, and now you're looking for new opportunities. Some of you feel hurt, like somebody just didn't live up to what they promised. Okay, so I do see a sense of dissatisfaction as far as career is concerned, but things will pick up. Things will pick up slowly, but it is going to happen. So you may have to wait for a while. Career will pick up. Okay, I think this wanted. See, this is what I see. Three of Swords and Emperor. I feel that you were told that you are going to get this project, you're going to get this job, this work, but then all of a sudden this person changed, or you know, you promised things, but they were taken away from you all of a sudden. So I do see disappointments as far as your career is concerned. Okay, could be you were expecting some money from somebody and this person backed out at the last moment. Could be a company, a boss. You may be having a tough time with your boss around. Okay, maybe you're not getting along with this person, something like this. But whatever it is, it will get sought, but things are pretty slow. It will take some time. Okay, so you may have to wait for a while. Things are pretty slow as far as career is concerned, but don't worry, just matter of some time and things will get better. Okay, some of you are being asked to look for new job or new projects. You're very hesitant, you don't want to go out and look for a new job, but no, please do that. Okay, look for a backup. You should always have a backup. So talk to people around you, look for a new job, look for a new opportunity. Okay, so you are going to find a very good opportunity provided you look for that offer or look for that opportunity around you, talk to people around you. So career will get better. Yeah, some of you really don't know whether you're confused. Okay, I see a lot of confusion as far as your career is concerned. You don't know which way to go, you're confused. Okay, maybe you are introspecting about what to do in life, which path to choose, which career to choose, which job to choose, what to do. Like I do see a place where you're thinking a lot about what to do, how to do, etc, etc. Don't worry, things will get better. I think you're going through a very difficult phase as far as career is concerned, Capricorn, but things will get better. Okay, with time I see things getting better for you. It's just matter of some time. So could be 7 months, could be 4 months. 4 to 7 months are prominent. You will be in a better place in few months. Okay, so let's see what advice do we have for you. See, the Guru, this is like a blessing. You are being blessed. Universe is there by your side, your divine angels, whoever you have been praying to, you're being blessed. See, you're guarded, you're blessed. That's the message. Don't worry. Some of you are taking a lot of stress. You are being asked to relax. Don't worry, you're worrying a lot. Okay, don't worry, things are going to get better for you, just matter of some time. Maybe you're going through a rough patch in your life, could be love life or career, doesn't really matter, but things are going to get resolved. Just wait, have some patience. Okay, see, you're being blessed. This is like you're being blessed by universe, you're being blessed by your divine angels, your God, whoever you pray to, you're being blessed, you're guarded. Okay, so don't worry. Any message for my singles? Okay, 5 of Pentacles. King of Swords, Page of Pentacles. Singles, I feel that you're very angry. You're very angry right now. You are not in a mood to explore any relationships right now. Okay, so you are angry and hurt because of a past relationship or somebody in your life who may have disappointed you in the past. I see you very angry and you are in a place where you don't want to get into any relationship right now. You are happy and maybe you're going through some financial stress. I do see financial stress and that is something that's bothering you. Be careful, there may be somebody around you who is trying to get close to you, but this could be because this person has an agenda. Maybe somebody is trying to get close to you because you are well off. Could be they want to derive some sort of benefits from you, so be careful. Okay, so I do see somebody around you who wants to get close to you because they feel that they can derive some sort of benefits from you, so be careful. Okay, we have the 10 of swords here with 5 of pentacles, so be careful. So I think this is not the right time to get involved with anybody. All right, let's see who is coming towards you. Who is coming towards my singles? Okay, to Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You're going to have choices. We have a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who is coming towards you, and you may have choices, singles. Okay, you may have choices. This could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius too. So you may have choices. Matter of some time. I feel that right now you're not ready for any relationships, and because of whatever you have been through in the past. So some of you, you are enjoying being single, you are happy wherever you are, and for the others of you, there is somebody who's trying to get close to you because this person wants to derive some sort of benefits. I don't see love. I see that they feel that either you are well off, or this could be that maybe you are helping this person financially. I don't know, be careful. So not the right time to fall in love. But yes, there is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius heading your way. So you will have choices. See, 2 of Pentacles. So you will have choices. You will find the right person soon, singles. Okay, we have the Chariot here. You will find the right person soon. May take some time. I don't see it immediately, but this may take some time. But you will find someone who is being sent for you, like a divine connection heading your way. Okay, so matter of some time. All right. So let's see. We will see if we have any love messages for you. We'll see what does your person think about you. This is for people who are in a relationship right now. So we'll see if we have any message for you. I left because you didn't treat me right. Oh my God. Oh shit. Some of you, I said that this person got involved somewhere else. That is because they feel that you did not treat them right. Okay, which is why this person left. Now, this is their feeling. Okay, this person feels that maybe you didn't treat them right, because of which they left you. So whatever it is, don't worry, they are coming back. This is what they feel. Okay, I've got one more message. I will never put anyone before you. Look at this. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Yeah. See, this person is crazy. They are like, they will never put anyone before you. So you are their priority. Okay, this person may not tell you how they feel, what they feel, but then they feel that you did not treat them right in the past. Now these are their feelings, okay, because of which either this person left you, or this person may have distanced themselves from you, but then they have love for you. And I told you they are coming back. This person is coming back, guys. Okay, so don't worry, they are not going anywhere. I do see immense love for you. And yeah, maybe the ball is in your court. Okay, could be that you have to decide, because I feel that some of you, you feel that you are not satisfied in this relationship. Like you feel at times that you both are not on the same page. So maybe the ball is in your court. Like, what do you really want to do? They are not leaving you for sure. So it's all in your hands. So I know that you love them. I still feel that you have love for this person, immense love, but you don't know what to do, how to do. Should you stay with this person or should you move on? Because I see that you feel at times that you both are not compatible, because of which you feel like moving on sometimes. Okay, So that is one thing, but you have immense love for this person, which is why you are stuck to this person still. Okay, so whatever it is, guys, I do see that there are differences between both of you, but I see things getting resolved slowly and gradually. This person is going to make it work. They are going to put efforts in this relationship for sure. Okay, this person is not going to leave you, and they're coming back. All right, so as far as sun signs are concerned, let me see the most prominent sun sign that I see here. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Saggy, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. These sun signs are prominent. Okay, so you could be dealing with someone having these sun signs. Sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are very prominent. Okay. Yeah. Could be Taurus and Cancer too for some of you. Taurus and Cancer. We have this here. Okay. So that was that, my Capricorn. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much, you guys. Take care. Be safe. Bye.